2.5 years ago, I found the easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing. And to this day, I still make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on it, and I haven't touched it in over a year. And I guarantee you, by the end of this video, I can teach you to be able to make at least $1,000 a month using this method. So the program is called the Amazon Influencer Program, and the biggest reason that people overlook it is because they think that you need some type of massive following on social media, and that's literally not true at all. I've personally helped friends be able to get approved with only 100 followers on TikTok. So before I get started, I just want to let you know I've broken this video up into 4 different chapters, and I need you to pay attention to all of them. Break your notes out, stuff like that, because this can seriously change your life, but you need to pay attention to all 4 chapters. Chapter number 1, how to get approved for the program. The way that you're going to want to do this is you're going to want to use TikTok, because that is the easiest platform to get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program on. First thing you want to do is create a brand new TikTok account, so you don't have to embarrass yourself in front of your friends or family. Once you create that account, you want to start posting daily content. Now, lucky for you, this content doesn't need to be like absurd or anything like that. Just make it about something that you're interested in, and it doesn't need to go viral either. You just need to show Amazon that you can consistently post about something. And a lot of people get really stuck up on this, and it's actually extremely simple. Just post about something that you would say you have an abnormal knowledge about, or just something that you're generally interested about. And I would do this for anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks. And it does not matter how many followers you accumulate, how many views you accumulate, none of that matters. And just to show you, this is my friend Justice right here. He used this method. I walked him through it. He posted consistently for a couple of weeks, and then he went and applied for the Amazon Influencer Program, got approved instantly. Like I said, let's break it down again. Start a TikTok account, post consistently for 3 to 4 weeks about something you're interested in, daily post, and then go apply for the program. And I promise you, you should get approved. If you don't get approved, just keep posting on TikTok. It means you haven't been consistent for long enough, but it shouldn't be any more than 3 months that you have to post for. I would say usually people get approved after 3 to 4 weeks of it. Chapter 2, congratulations. This is the first step forward to your life genuinely changing. I remember whenever I got approved, a month later, I was making $10,000 a month. So congrats, your life is truly about to become changed once you get approved. So what you want to do once this happens is you want to start going around your entire house and start reviewing everything you have. So like I have this right here. I have this. I would literally review all of this. This is 5 items right here that you're looking at. So you probably have thousands of items in your house. Let's say this is what I'm making the video about. What I want to do is I literally just want to say what I like about it. You don't want to talk about the price. Don't talk about how much you bought it for. Don't have any barcodes in the video. Don't do any of that. Literally just be like, hey, this is the DJI Pocket 3. I really enjoy it. I think it records very nicely, good quality for video, and it's got really nice audio whenever you're doing it. It's perfect if you're trying to get into vlogging, or if you're just going on a family trip and you want to document it. Boom, post a video. You're good. And that video will make you a lot of money too. So that's exactly how you want to do it. So the consistent theme with this program is going to be don't overthink it. And that's why this is the easiest way to make money on the internet. Not drop shipping, not doing social media. This is because that's literally all you have to do to go and actually get approved for the program is just describe 3 items around your house. And everybody's got 3 items. So once you do that, you're going to submit the videos. It'll take them about a week or so, and then they're going to get back with you and they're going to say, hey, you got approved. All right, now chapter 3. Congratulations, you've been approved for the program. Like I said, your life, it's about to become changed, because that's what happened to me 2 years ago, because you just unlocked liquid internet gold. So once you get approved for the program, you're gonna have to start getting a lot of videos up, because that is the name of the game, is just get a lot of videos up and then you're gonna make a lot of money. That's why I'm still making $1,000 to $3,000 a month, because I've uploaded over 1,800 videos to the platform. And it's not that complicated. You don't have to edit them, none of that. You literally just record it, hit upload. And you're gonna wanna just record everything. And the cool thing about this program is the items that you're recording, you don't have to have bought them on Amazon. They just need to be sold on Amazon. So once you go entirely around your house and start reviewing items, you're gonna start seeing the money drip in. Whenever I did this 2 years ago, I started posting. After a week, I was making $30 a day. After 3 weeks, I was on track to make $10,000 a month. It was absurd. And it is the cheapest thing to do ever, because it doesn't require any money for you to put in. You're just reviewing things you've already purchased, probably bad purchases all around your house. You're finally going to get your money back. And last but not least, chapter number 4 in this program. So you've done everything I've said so far. You've been approved. You've started making money on here. Now you're trying to figure out, Bryson, what's my next move? Do I try to scale this thing up to $15,000 a month, what do? It's such an amazing program. I'm going to tell you, I have tried to scale this thing up to $15,000 a month, 2030. I was going to build an entire company out of this. The problem that comes with it is it does take a lot of manpower to do it, and you're going to have to start reinvesting your money doing product research and stuff like that. And if enough of you guys comment on this video and say, Bryson, we would love to learn how to do that, then I'll make a video telling you guys exactly how to do it. But just know it does get a little bit more complex at that point. Now, any business is going to get like that. So like I said, let me know in the comment section if you want me to. But what I would recommend is you need to take all of that money and reinvest it into another business. So for me personally, I took all of the money I made from that and I invested into all this camera gear, all the lighting stuff that you guys don't see right now, all the stuff behind me. So that's what I would personally do, but it all depends. A lot of you may just want to be making extra money so you don't have to pay a car payment anymore and you can actually have your side hustle paid for it. And if that's what you want to do, you're goated at this point now. Like $1,000 to $3,000 a month, you are set. If you want to grow this thing into something else, that's where, like I said, you need to let me know in the comment section. If enough of you guys ask, I will do that. But if you really want to be smart about it, I would say reinvest it back into yourself, back into a new business online so that you can start making more money off of it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to let us know in the comment section, make sure to like, and please make sure to subscribe because I'm going to start posting a ton of videos about this subject, affiliate marketing, how we've been able to grow a $60,000 a month business while working a 9 to 5, and a ton of other things.